Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this UPSC CSAT series, we are doing the quant section and we have already completed the number system portion. This is algebra going on right now and we have completed 3 videos, that is arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. And this is going to be the fourth series, and as I've already told you, that's the first four videos of algebra are interlinked. So you better start from 1, 2, 3 and then come to this video number 4 for for your ease of understanding. Correct? So today's video, as we have seen a lot of formulas in the last video, today we are going to learn 3 formulas. 1, 2 and 3 and that's it. Right? So let's start with today video, and today we are going to start with the first part, that is sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural number. And if you have seen arithmetic progression video, uh, in there we have already done this part. Here we have already done this part, how we have derived this formula. The formula was sum of first n natural number is n plus 1 by 2, right? N into n plus 1 by 2. So if you see here, we have where we use this formula, we did solved a previous year question in the last video where we saw that sum of 20 first 20 pages was 210, the remaining pages were 195, you are left with 15, and that is how you solve the question. So I hope that part is already cleared. I am not putting a lot of time on this part again, and moving on to the next formula. So this is on formula number 1. You have to take away from this video. Moving on to the second part. Now the sum of, just for your clarification, the sum of series looks like this: 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on. Now they are asking me not the sum of first n natural number, that we have already learnt. They are asking me sum of square of first natural number: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and so on. N square means they want to know the sum of, not only the sum of first n natural number, but the sum of square of first n natural number. So that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on. So how do you find the sum of such a series? The sum of such a series is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Please remember the formula. We are not focusing on the derivation, out of scope for your exam. Just remember this formula: n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Right? Let's use that formula here in this question. They've asked you give me the sum of 21 square plus 22 square plus 23 square up to 30 square. Can you directly apply that formula n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6? Why or why not? Not because that formula is used for finding the series where the series is starting from number 1 and not number 21. To find such a sum of such a series, you need two series, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 20 square, and the second series is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 20 square, continue it, 21 square, 22 square up to 30 square. So if you can find two separate sums and subtract first from second. So subtracting first from second means S2 minus S1. You will left with 21 square, 22 square and 30 square. Correct? So you need to find two different sums, S1 and S2. Subtract S2 minus S1 and you will get the answer. So the first one is sum of the series. The first summation will be n, that is 20, n plus 1, 21, 2n plus 1, that is 40 plus 1 by 6. Sorry. S2 is 30. 30, 30 plus 1, 31. 2n, that is 60 plus 1 divided by 6. So you do find these. So S is equal to S2 minus S1. That is the answer for you. Correct? So S2 minus S1 is the answer you are looking for. I'm just making I'm just making it quick because the main portion you have already covered in AP, GP, HP, and now we are coming to the sum of series part. Now you've already understood the concept. This is just an extension of it. So two formulas are already done. Now this will be a third formula, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube. Not only simple number, not only square, but the cubes. 3 cube, 4 cube and so on, that is n cube. Sum of such series is, just remember this formula, n plus 1 by 2. This is the sum of first natural number. Just do a big total square of it. n plus 1 by 2, and complete square of this is going to be the formula of the cube of first n natural number. I hope it is clear. Let's see a question on it. They are asking you, find me the sum of this series. S is equal to 0.11 cube plus 0.22 cube up to 0.99 cube. First thing, we only know that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on till 9 cube. We don't know this. How do you convert this into that? You take out 0.11 cube out of it. Okay, so this is a series. Since I've already told you that this is what we know, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on. But we don't know 0.11 cube and so. So we need to convert this series into the series we know. So here if you take out 0.11 cube as common, so you are left with 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 9 cube. See, what we have done is we have taken something common out of this and you are left with a series that we already know of. So this is, to solve this you can have 0.113. Remember the formula, n, that is 9, because the terms are 9, n plus 1, that is 9 plus 1 10 divided by 2 and whole square. So you will have 0.11 cube into 45 square and you will get the answer in such a way. I hope this is clear. So we see that using three formulas you can solve a lot of type of question. So since this was not direct application of the formula, but if you take out 0.11 common, you are left with a series which you know of. And if you don't know the formula, you cannot move ahead. And similar in this question. Here 21 square, 22 square is asked, they have asked us. But we have used a formula which we know the formula of, and we use a little trick to find the answer. And now coming to this PYQs, this we have already covered in the last video. Last video we have already covered how to solve such a question using the formula, right? Now, just for the revision, I am just writing those three formulas. Sum of first n natural numbers. So the sum is n plus 1 by 2. Second, square of n natural numbers. Square of first n natural number. So the summation was n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Third is cube of n natural number. Cube of n natural number is n plus 1 by 2 complete square. So these three formulas you need to know from this video. And with this we have covered the, you can say, the first 40% or 40% portion of the algebra part. All these four topics, video 1 to 4, that is arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression and the sum of the series, all are interlinked. So if you have not seen any of it, I would highly suggest that you go from video number 1 and come to video number 4. So each passing video will become easier for you to understand. So that's it for today's short video on sum of the series. In the next video, we are going to come up with the next topic in algebra. That is going to be maybe linear equation, quadratic equation, we'll see. Till then, if you have any doubt, feel free to post them in the comments or on our Telegram channel. In the comments on the video, we'll reply at both places. If you're liking this series, please share it with your friends who you think are going to benefit from this, and also please subscribe to the channel. It really keeps us motivated. So till then, we'll meet in the next video and you keep practicing, and I'm very hopeful that every one of you will easily sail through to the CSAT part of that 33% threshold. You will easily clear it. Don't worry. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.